And I hit him with a jab like dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh, look at her butt. Oh my gosh, look at her butt. This dude named Michael used to ride motorcycle. Bigger than a tower. I ain't talking about Eiffel. Real country ass nigga, let me play with his rifle.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I look crazy, and I don't have my tripod, so I'm just holding my camera by the camera. But I'm on FaceTime with my friend. I'm on the phone with my boyfriend, but we gonna get out of that. Anyway, today we have a photo shoot vlog. I should have been started this video though, because it's what's today? Hold on. So what's today? Wednesday. Oh, Wednesday the 30th. And my photo shoot is April 3rd. So I'm literally late starting this video, but I need to go get my nails done because look at this. I have no nail. So I look crusty, I look dusty, and I'm doing a Powerpuff Girl themed photo shoot. It was supposed to be for my birthday, but it didn't happen, buddy. It just was a lot going on, a lot of changing and all that. But so I already colored the wig that I'm wearing because I'm Blossom. I'm a Powerpuff Girl. That's what our photo shoot is. I'm Blossom. My friend Diamond is Bubbles. My sister is Buttercup, and my sister-in-law Deborah is Bliss, which is the new Powerpuff Girl. We're trying to do something different, so we're gonna do like one part is gonna be like the everyday, what would our characters wear every day. Our second outfit is gonna be a Y2K inspired outfit, and our third outfit is gonna be a grunge. Like, I love me a good grunge. Like, you don't really see a lot of black girls in grunge outfits. And I'm sorry if I'm like, my outfits seem a little weird, but I just changed my aligners and they're really tight, and I like a saliva's coming out of my mouth. Like I don't ew, it's like it's nasty. I don't know what's going on because they tight. But so I already recorded me coloring the wig. Like I had to use like 3 different oranges because it would not come out right, and it still look red. But today I need to cut the bang in the wig, and I need to like layer it, because I don't like how the wig, I really don't like how this wig came out. Like I hot glued it a long time ago with some hair I got for free. It's a water wave. I straightened it. It's really nice. I didn't show everything in me straightening because I just got frustrated sitting on that floor. But I need to cut the ends because I want like a blunt look, and I need to layer it because I think I'm gonna do like, actually I can't do blunt if I'm doing it. I want like a layer cuts, and I don't know. I'm about to cut it right now though. I have to make space on my vanity because my room is a hot, funky, dusty mess because I just been doing everything. My bed is a mess. There's stuff all over the place. The sheets, I've been washing clothes, so it's just like, don't judge me, judge your mama, okay? Anyway, let's get into cutting the bang. Yeah, and I'll come back to y'all after that.
Same first, middle, dance on the wisdom too. Niggas wishing that the pussy was a kissing boo. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. Dinner just like visit too. And when we French refresh, give me two. When I bite that lip, come get me two. He want lipstick, lip gloss, keys too. We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way I move. Oh, I feel like fucking something. We could be calling fucking sugar. I ain't no dummy. I like to say, but if we could kiss and just cut the rubbish, then I'ma be honest something. I ain't giving you one in public. I'm giving you hundreds. Fuck it. Give me a buck, need the Gucci store. Gucci lemonade, you ain't good enough. All your niggas say that you lost, but don't me. All my bitches feel like I dodged it. Only fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. See life only real. Oh that you gon' make me need real. Oh that cock living with your friend, you ain't even have man lying on you.
Right, she got a scarf on. Don't pay my rent no more, like I said. So.
I don't want this nigga washing my car.
No, they not gonna let me. They be drooling.
Who?
These damn cars. Acting like they don't know. You better act like you know. Act
Look at
like
that.
you know. Act like you know. Act like you know. You better act like you know. Act like you know. Act like you know. Saying it on beat. Who gives a damn? Act like you know. Oh my, yo, they been driving retarded all day. I am not the problem. Why are you like? Why the
People are driving really dumb.
Why would you not have been turned on your turn signal? Oh shit, Party City. Why would you not have been turned on
People are driving really dumb.
your turn signal?
Okay, y'all.
Oh yeah.
So
It's further down that way.
We gotta go back that way.
we
anyway.
are out getting last minute things the day before the photo shoot, and we just went to Sephora.
It's right
And
where
now
that
we about to
Target
go
at, 'cause
to
we
Party
inside that
City
Target.
to see if we can find like some little like prop stuff,
Curbside pickup.
and then we gonna get some food because I'm hungry. We all hungry.
Wait, if Party City is right here, right? Which way is Five Below? That way?
That way.
Five Below is that way?
He is that way.
So then Chick-fil-A is
That
this
way.
way.
Wait, no, is it?
I think so.
I keep getting compliments on this break behind right here, and I'm very shocked because people don't like break right here.
He said Ronald McDonald.
I guess so.
She all
She
in the
definitely didn't
conversation
ask
like,
us if we
this
needed
one
help.
smells
Because
good.
any other time I come in
Hold
there,
on.
because usually it be black girls in there when I work, but any other time I come in
It's
here,
recording, bro.
any other time I come in there, they be quick to be like, oh hey, let us soon as you come in and leave the rent.
Yeah, they didn't ask us if we need help, none of that.
No, and then you want y'all to slide over at last minute. Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
They for sure didn't ask us if we need help, but then when they see if they can stay there.
Hips, 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 hips.
Lord.
What she do?
That was the TikTok when he do the whip.
She know how white girl did.
No, that's the TikTok. And then you gotta go back like this. I sent it to y'all in the group chat. Wanna go to Jenny Craig and get skinny. I'm gonna go to Jenny Craig and with a big
We're going to Party City.
Hey y'all.
Hey guys, so it is Sunday, April 3rd, which is today's photo shoot. And literally last night I was stressed because the light is horrible because I'm in my grandma's house and we only got this light, yellow light bulb, whatever. But I literally did my sister's hair, accidentally burned it with a hot comb, so she got a burn mark on her forehead. Great. I did my friend here. She ended up throwing up in the bathroom. My friend Diane. Great. My sister-in-law Deborah couldn't make it last night, so I gotta do her hair this morning. I need to do my sister edges because I didn't do it. I let her go to sleep. I gotta do my friend's edges because I let her go home because she feel good. I just style my friend Diamond's here. I need to. Oh, I put my wig on this mannequin head and it keeps looking off. I need a hot comb on the top of my own wig for the shoulder shoot. I'm sitting here thinking, like, let me put it up. I don't even know if I even want to do the whole, like, wig switch because I really wanted to put this black hair on just so I can have like multiple pictures. And my first part of the photo shoot is going to be pictures of me anyway. So I really want to wear this here and then switch to that. But it's like, I'm like, how I'm going to switch? I don't even know if you have a station to bump my hair. So I try to bump it, but it's not ability. And put on this mannequin head, but it's not staying on the mannequin head. So I don't know if that's going to be chalk. And I just got to wear the wig for this orange hair. I really didn't want to wear this for the picture of myself and the picture with my boyfriend. I only wanted to wear it with the other parts. And we're going to be quick with the whole thing anyway because that's not what the photo shoot is supposed to be about. It's just I wanted extra pictures. If I'm paying $350, that's what we're going to get your pictures. We're going to make the most out of it, $350. In here so that I can have it quick and ready to go. Like, you know, I just need a hot from the top. I bumped it tonight. I hate the bang because I just hate bangs. But I need to fix what I need to fix. It's just going to be quick torso when it comes to putting my everyday outfit on. That hot thing getting hot, I can smell it. So I'm going to do another like relax. I know I'm doing a lot of relaxing and less talking, but I feel like I need to talk every week. It's like, I don't know. I just don't want to talk too much because I've just been stressed and I don't want to put that out in the video. I don't know. But I'm going to show y'all. I showed y'all a lot of me doing my sister's hair. I showed a little bit of me doing my friend's hair just because she was sick. And I'm finna show me doing a little bit of my sister-in-law hair, but not that much because it's not the like in the hair. I'm gonna do the best I can. And then I'm gonna record a little bit of us all getting makeup done. I gotta do my sister-in-law makeup, my sister gonna do my friend makeup, and we both gotta do our own makeup. So that's a lot of work and a lot of recording. And hopefully my battery don't die because my battery keep dying. I'm trying to record. I need to invest in another battery. And I still want to show a lot of the photo shoots. I need my battery on 100 and listen to it. If I could turn it on, turn it off. So. Yeah. So, and we're going to eat afterwards. I want to show a little bit of it, but let's get into this. Hey.
Brand new Chris Brown, T-Pain. You heard it here first. Nappy Boy Radio. We love you.
if I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me? What would you do?